Some of the best teachable moments are not in our lesson plans. Instead, they arise during real-time learning, student conversations, and collaboration. In a student-centered classroom, it is essential to make the most of these moments. When adding a whiteboard during your lesson, you can capture these moments on the fly, turning a brief conversation into an engaging learning experience. Once you begin your lesson, you have the option to add a whiteboard. To do so, click the plus sign and select Whiteboard. As you can see, a blank page is inserted into your lesson. From here, you can use the embedded tools to add annotations. As you create, students can follow along on their device. Additionally, you could convert the whiteboard into an individual handout or workspace activity so that students could participate from their devices. This allows for flexible teaching from whole group to small group or independent work. Use the whiteboard to solve math problems, brainstorm for a project, or create digital anchor charts. Insights into learning are made easy when using the whiteboard feature in Lumio.